Good evening and welcome to the special edition of The Archives of Julia Overby, starring Julia Overby on a very productive Sunday. You're tuning in now.
Today, I auditioned for a reality TV show, and for some reason, they did not want me on the show. Their loss. Originally, I filmed this for a vlog for them. Didn't get chosen. I realized it's pretty cute, and this would be a good time to tell you guys that I moved to Texas. Enjoy the production. This is me in all my glory in the morning. Today is a good day because it's Sunday. My boyfriend is visiting from Spokane, so we're gonna go to church. Weekends are typically never the same for me, but that's what makes life interesting. Ew. Why is your coffee not made yet? Because I'm filming for a reality TV show. He's a diva in the morning, I tell you what. This is my coffee. This gives me life. Please excuse the mess. We are in the middle of moving, so I have to move out. This is my roommate, Rachel, in the morning. And I wanted to keep this clip of Mochi in there, even though she has since passed away. God rest her beautiful naked soul. I would 100% rather just shower than wash my face. I know that's dramatic, but I hate it. It like drips down your neck. Normally I would have filmed my makeup routine for you guys. Let me tell you, it is surely interesting, but I had to do my makeup in the car because Marco thought church was at 11. Oops. But it's actually at 11:30, so we're just in a parking lot looking for donuts for our roommates, even though I'm eating keto. Look at all this beautiful stuff. I ended up having a couple bites. Every sidewalk is a runway.
What?
I'm recording. We just got back from church and I'm making some yogurt parfaits. Yummy! Yummy! Keeping up with a healthy diet and supplements is very important to me. And I also have a hard time taking vitamins. I didn't mean for that to happen. Perfect. I'm tired and Marco doesn't feel like working out with me, but I'm gonna force him to, and now we're going into the gym. Gains are life, feed the muscles. Do I look strong? Yeah? Ow. A lot of times it's not easy to get into the gym, but I do it because I honestly do enjoy it. Kind of. I do it because I do this. Gotta get the blood flowing before the workout. Oh, she's thick.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
Today I'm doing a hit, and it is very hard. See these muscles, baby? Grass-fed, grass-finished. I'm officially dead. How was the workout?
Lame.
But I was really
Strong.
and very sexy. After this, I'm going to meet with my producer Trey and then cook dinner and do some returns. A very exciting day in the life of Julia E. Overby. When my roommates don't pay attention to me. So every day I talk to my mom, my stepdad, or my dad and stepmom. Okay, we're recording. I have a question for the video. Sure. Okay, what do you guys think about me moving to Austin for 3 months? For or against?
I'm against it. I think it should at least be 12 months,
Okay,
personally.
makes sense, definitely. About twice a week I meet with my producer, so I'm headed there now. My name's Julia Overby. I know you heard of me, yeah. Joey on the track, yeah. I think he wanna call me baby. When you la 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 love me, it feels so la 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 lovely. Trey, if you're watching this, I love you. Everybody look up T Major. Hell yeah, brother. So I obviously changed, put on Don't look under my skirt, you little nasty. Whenever you're cooking, it's imperative to play jazz music. This dance sequence brings me back to the time when I was at a wedding in Mexico and gave all of these moms a dance lesson. It was basically a highlight of my life, so I had to pop this in here for your viewing pleasure. Everyone knows that you can't be a real influencer without showing yourself cooking, so watch me cut the zucchini. Oh, that was actually pretty good! We have mashed cauliflower, some greens, and grass-fed steak. Not complete without truffle oil. A very important fact about me is that I absolutely adore truffles, so I put it on everything. Our bellies are happy, our hearts are full. I was just rambling at this part, so I'm gonna wrap it up with a little voiceover. Although I'm nervous to move, I don't want to leave Marco. The bigger part of me is leaning into feeling the fear, doing it anyway. I've definitely been exploring my faith a lot more and praying hard to God, trusting Him, trusting the process. This is about to get into like a Tony Robbins motivational speech, y'all, but really realizing that the best is yet to come, and also I'm living my best days right now and leaning into gratitude. And I have some exciting Texas updates for you guys that I can't wait to share in a future video. I actually got this at a gas station in Texas, so. Am I saying it's meant to be? Yes, I am. Good night. Hot girl summer is right around the corner, Mochi, okay?